Hi, I'm Jane. Let's learn how to create your RockChain account and submit your first material request. We start at the AMIRockChain.com homepage. If you already have a RockChain account, you can click the Login button in the top right corner. If you don't have an account, you can click the Register button, which will take you directly to the registration page. If you want to see what RockChain has to offer without an account, you can click the Guest Access button. This will let you preview the application, view the extent of our supplier network, and see any pits listed for sale. However, if you want to submit a request, you need to register by first clicking the registration button. On the registration page, you need to provide your first name, last name, email, and create a password to start the process. You can review the RockChain Terms of Service before clicking the Agree button below. If you are a municipality, you can request the Municipal Aggregates Program. This will let us know to get in contact with you about group buying offered through RockChain. Clicking the Register button creates your profile and logs you into the application. The top right corner should show your name and initials to indicate that you are logged in. Before you start submitting any requests, you should go to your profile page to fill out your user profile. You can access your profile by clicking on your name, then Profile. Filling out your profile will simplify the ordering process, as we will soon see. On your profile page, you can also see details such as registration date, last login, subscription type, and request count. Specifying if you are a buyer, supplier, or transporter will help us provide you with better service. You can select more than one. Click Save to update your profile and return to the map. You're ready to start making material requests. The four buttons along the top of the map are where you want to start. The Layers button lets you turn map layers on and off. Your requests will show up on the Request layer. You can see county lines, township grids, railways, and even pipelines by toggling them on and off. You can search for a location by clicking the Search button. In the Search tab, you can zoom the map to a specific location either by legal land description or by the name of the town. You can change the base map to a satellite view by clicking the square in the bottom left. Panning and zooming the map functions the same as in most other online mapping applications. Now, you will want to center your delivery location in the middle of the screen. Once you have your map centered, you're ready to start your order by clicking the Request button and then selecting Aggregates. This will open the aggregate request workflow. The first step is to select whether your order will have a single delivery location or multiple. The second step is to set the delivery location by clicking the green Set Pin button and then clicking the map. A blue pin will appear, and the latitude, longitude, and physical address will be automatically populated. You can also type them in if you prefer. If you need to move the pin, you can move it by clicking it and dragging it to the correct location. This will automatically update the latitude, longitude, and physical address. You will then need to set the quote deadline date by selecting a day on the calendar. The quote deadline lets us know when you need your quote completed. Step 3 is where you list the materials you need for the project. You start by clicking the green plus button. In the material dialog, you start by selecting the main product. You then select the type. And optionally, a specification. As you can see, we have a number of predefined specifications. You can also specify a designation and a size, either in millimeters or inches. Finally, you need to enter the quantity in tons, cubic meters, or yards. You can also add notes related to this product if needed. You can add as many products as you need. There are hundreds of combinations to choose from, including specialty products such as rail ballast. You can remove items from the list by clicking the red X, or you can clear all items by clicking the trash icon. You can upload custom specification sheets by clicking the Browse button. This will upload your document and attach it to your order. In Step 4, you enter the project details such as name, delivery date, site contact, as well as any additional notes you want to add to the whole order, such as trucking requirements or delivery details. In Step 5, you enter the buyer details. This is simple since you can choose to auto-populate the information from your user profile. The last step is to review your order and make sure everything looks correct. If you need to go back and correct something, you can just click on the respective step button. Lastly, you complete the order by clicking the Submit button. When your order has been submitted, you will see a green success banner displayed. An email will be sent to you with a record of your order. However, you can also download a PDF directly using the Download PDF button. The PDF provides a summary of your order as well as the contact information of the RockChain team should you need to talk to us. Your request will now be visible as a blue dot on the map. Details about your order will show when it's clicked, and the visibility can be controlled using the Requests toggle in the Layers tab. Only you can see the requests you make in the system. Access the power of RockChain and see how easy it can be. Create your free account and submit your aggregates request today.